Sun Summit Minerals is an early-stage exploration company focused on our BC projects. We have our flagship Buck Project in central BC. We're putting a maiden resource estimate on the Buck main system, which we expect out very shortly. And as well, we have exploration upside in a great jurisdiction. We're also optioning the JD project in the Toodoggone, a very exciting and emerging region. And we can't wait to explore for the high-grade epithermal gold and silver, as well as porphyry potential. So stay tuned for lots of news. The JD project represents an amazing opportunity for Sun Summit shareholders. While we still believe there's value at the Buck project, this opportunity came to us and we were very excited to aggressively pursue it. There's high-grade epithermal gold and silver, as well as copper porphyry potential on the project. There's been some historic exploration, so we can really hit the ground running in terms of exploration development and advancement. Essentially, exploration potential without the exploration risk. We're very excited to be putting initial mineral resource estimate on our Buck main system. We optioned the project in 2019, and since then we've done 98 drill holes for just over 35,000 meters since 2020. We feel it's about time to put an initial resource estimate on this, just to see how many ounces are in the ground and what the potential is here. And so we're also using historic drill holes in the resource. We're currently calculating that, and we expect the results out soon. But it's not stopping there. We are expecting to expand that resource. There is additional drilling we'd love to do after the results of the MRE. There's a lot of expansion potential, and the system is open in all directions. Green Earth Metals is a great opportunity for Sun Summit shareholders. For those following the story, we were known as San Marco Resources. We had copper projects in Sonora State, Mexico. This company was founded by Tuki Angus and our previous CEO, Bob Willis. In 2020, we did look to sell these assets to a different company. We've now found a home for them at Green Earth Metals. They're currently a private company, but they're hoping to go public later this year. So we are currently about a 25% shareholder of that private company, and after they go public, we will still be a significant shareholder. So it's great copper exposure in Mexico for Sun Summit shareholders, and we're very happy to see those projects to be advanced. In 2023, our main focus was on the Buck project. So drilling at Buck Main, we had two drill programs where we really focused on the expansion potential there, mostly to the north and the northwest. We were continuing to find these long intercepts of continuous mineralization right from surface, 100, 200 meters of more of this bulk tonnage style of mineralization. We were very happy to get some great grades from those drill programs. And then, of course, at the end of 2023, we started looking at the JD project for option. So I think 2024, we're really going to ramp up exploration and be very aggressive with our exploration plans. In terms of Buck Main, we'd love to continue drilling there after the resource. We'll get a good idea about where we should drill for step out and infill drilling to add more ounces to the resource. The CR project we picked up from Teck last year that has a copper porphyry as well as gold and silver potential. So we'd love to return to the CR and Mount Maurice area. We did some surface exploration last year, which we uncovered some additional copper potential in areas never before been drill tested. In terms of the JD project, quite a lot of targets. We're going through the data right now, compiling and reviewing and ranking and prioritizing some of these targets. But most likely we'll be focusing on the high-grade epithermal gold. They'll be drilling, most likely some geophysics and sampling and mapping. 2023 was a difficult year for many companies, and we were not immune. We saw our share price go to low levels, and we understand that we'd like to return some shareholder value, and we see through expanding and advancing the Buck project, as well as bringing on a high-grade epithermal target in an emerging and prospective region, will really help shareholders get some of that value back, and we're really thinking aggressively about our 2024 plans.